Hi, I'm Alicia from Las Vegas Meditation, and today I'm going to be talking about the subject, me who is not humble. Before meditation, I always thought about myself as being a humble person. When I came across someone who is not humble, I would have a tightness in my neck and chest and an irritating feeling in my body. When these people would say something that I didn't like, I would be like, what are you talking about? Why are they talking so highly about themselves? And I would not want to associate or talk to them. I would even go as far as to tell a family friend or relative about them. Now I know I was not truly humble. After meditation, I can truly see that we are all one and united beyond human mind. I can also see myself listening to others without judgment. Hope my story helped you. Thank you for listening. Have a great meditation.